Good morning to all. Welcome to the Diamond Group of Institutions, NEET and basic online classes. So today's class, microbes in human health. In these, every year in the NEET and TASET exams, minimum two questions will come from this chapter. So better to concentrate the name of the organisms, these microbes in used as a different sectors in a food production, industrial production, biogas production, and the sewage treatment and biocontrol systems. So you know the microbes, different types of microorganisms and its functions, you can easily get the answers from the given difficult questions also. So coming to the first question, conversion of milk to curd improves the nutritional value by increasing the amount of. See now, so this question we can see into the microbes used in a household products. So the production of curd from the milk, we can use to the one bacteria that's called as lactobacillus. Lactobacillus bacteria. By adding on this lactobacillus bacteria into a milk contains as a milk protein that is called as a casein. It's undergoing as a partial digestion and forming to the precipitation. The PPT only we call as a curd. So here, at the time of conversion of milk into a curd, the curd contain the option A, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B12, and vitamin E. Vitamin E. So now you see by the taking of the curd into the regular diet of the human beings. So curd is contained as a more concentration of the vitamin B12. So vitamin B12, its function, so they can increase they can check the any microorganisms in the digestive system of the human beings, and also by the taking of the curd. By the taking of the curd, vitamin B12 will be going to vitamin B12 concentration is present more, and also it can increase the acid balance or acidity nature is there into the stomach. They can maintain the acid base value by the adding of vitamin B. So now here the curd contain has a much concentration of vitamin B12. So the conversion of the milk into the curd is formed by lactobacillus bacteria. And the next question, probiotics are. So probiotics are like as a SCTs, single cell organisms. So now these are the probiotics are the single cell organisms. Single cell proteins are the living organisms. Those are the alternative source of the food materials for human beings and animals. So here, so these are the probiotics. We are going to represent it as option A, cancer inducing microbes. Option B, new kind of food allergens. Option C, live microbial food supplement, and safe antibiotics. So probiotics are like as a SCP, single cell proteins. Those are the alternate source as a food materials for human beings and animals. Instead of the food materials, we can take as a other some of the microorganisms also, as a single cell microorganisms or other some other microorganisms. So now these are the probiotics. So option A, they derive cancer inducing microbes. So here probiotics are we are not considering as a cancer inducing microbes. Means cancer inducing microbes means they can cause the cancers microorganisms. And option B, new kind of food allergens. By the taking of these microorganisms, they can form into a food allergens. So probiotics are we are not they cannot form into the food allergies. If the food allergies are formed, we should not take. We does not take the microorganisms as well. And option C, live microbial food supplement. So probiotics are the live microbial food supplements, and safe antibiotics. Those are non-antibiotics. So those are the probiotics of single cell proteins, light as single cell proteins. So they can act as the alternate form of food. Answer is C. Next question. Select the mismatch. So they can have option A, Rhodospirilla mycorrhiza. Option B, Anabina nitrogen. Option C, Rhizobium alpha alpha. And option D, Frantia alnus. So out of these, mismatch they have to identify. See now, option B, Frantia. Frantia is a bacteria These are the franchise and show the symbiotic association with the ulmus plant. So these are the ulmus plant. Ulmus is a non-leguminous plant. These frangia can they can enter into the ulmus roots and they can involve into the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. So frangia symbiotic association with the ulmus. So both are the right one. And option B, Rhizobium alpha. See now, here the Rhizobium is a bacteria, alpha is a leguminous plant. So now you see, these are Rhizobium bacteria can enter into the leguminous plants and they fix the atmospheric nitrogen. So these are the Rhizobium bacteria also they can show the symbiotic association with the alpha plant. And option B, Anabina nitrogen fixer. Anabina is a blue-green algae, or we are also called as a cyanobacteria. So now these are Anabina also they can involve into the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. And option A, Rhodospirillum is a photosynthetic anaerobic bacteria, and these are Rhodospirillum is a photosynthetic bacteria that is given as a mycorrhiza. So now you see these are the Rhodospirillum is a free living bacteria and it can show as a mycorrhiza. It is a bacteria and mycorrhiza means fungi. Higher group of the higher group of the plant groups are associated with the fungi. That is the fungi can show the symbiotic association with the higher plant groups that is called as a mycorrhiza. So Rhodospirillum it can contains own food materials and mycorrhiza is a symbiotic bacteria, it is a free living and it is symbiotic. It is belongs in the fungi, this belongs in the bacteria. So that's why inter match is. And the next question, microbe used for biocontrol of pest, butterfly and caterpillar is. So one of the microorganisms it is used into the controlling of butterfly caterpillars is. So they given as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It's also called as a yeast. Yeast is used into the production of alcohol. So yeast is not used into the controlling of the butterfly caterpillars and Bacillus thuringiensis. So you know that Bacillus thuringiensis we are also called as a BT. So Bacillus thuringiensis is a bacteria. From these are the Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria. BT genes are extracted. Those are the endotoxins, and these are the BT genes are they can releases into the toxin. The toxins are present in the form of protoxins. Whenever these are the genes, what are the protoxins are they enter into the intestine of insects. Intestine of insects are having alkaline pH. So that protoxins are converted into the active toxins. Insect intestine will be going to swell and it will be going to burst. So insects will be going to die. So by that using these Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria, we can collect it into the extract into the BT genes and these BT genes are incorporated into a cotton plant. So now the cotton plant is called as a BT cotton. So we can control the pest butterflies and caterpillars by the process of Bacillus thuringiensis. And option C, Streptococcus. Streptococcus is a bacteria, Streptococcus bacteria that is processed into the pneumonia disease. This is not used as a biocontrolling agent. And remaining as a Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum, we are going to use a Trichoderma species. We are going to use as a biocontrolling agent. It is a fungi. So question is asked as a biocontrolling agent only, but it should be control the caterpillars and the butterflies. Trichoderma plant species can control the root knot diseases. Any pathogens that can enter from the soil into the roots, such type of pathogens will be controlled by the Trichoderma species. But it's not control the butterflies and the caterpillars. So answer is D. Next question. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option using the codes given below. The given as a column 1 and column 2. Column 1 is a citric acid, cyclosporin A, static butyric acid, and column 2 trichoderma, Clostridium, Aspergillus, and Monaster. See now, citric acid it will be going to extracted from the fungi. The fungi it is a Aspergillus niger. From the Aspergillus niger, citric acid extraction will be going to take place. And cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A is also called as immunosuppressive agent. We are going to use as a organ transplantation. At the time of organ transplantation, we are going to add it into the immunosuppressive agent. This immunosuppressive agent, as a cyclosporin A, is extracted from the fungi as a Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum it is also a fungi. It is diffused into the cyclosporin A. It acts as an immunosuppressive agent at the organ transplantation concept. So we are going to transplant the organs like as a livers and kidneys. We have to definitely add it into the cyclosporin A. If we are not injected into the cyclosporin A, in between the foreign organ and the patient organ body organs, in between the infections will not take place. Organ transplantation will not take successfully. And option C, statins. Statins, one of the bioactive molecule. It is reduce the lowering of cholesterol. Reduce the lowering of cholesterol in a blood. So these are the statins are extracted from the Monastus purpurea. It is also the and remind fourth option the butyric acid. Butyric acid extracted from the Clostridium botulinum. So these are the butyric acids or the organic acids. So correct match for the citric acid is A 3, B 1 and C 4. A 3, B 1, C 4 and D 2 answer is B. Next question. Consider the following four statements A to D and select option which includes all the correct ones only. So we have to identify the out of the four options which one of the options contains only correct. So option A single cell spirulina can produce large quantities of food rich protein, minerals, vitamins, and etc. So they given as a single cell spirulina. Spirulina can act as a SCP. Single cell protein is an alternate source of the food metal for the human beings and the animals. So now a single cell protein can produce a large quantity of food. These are the SCP or spirulinates contain as much concentration of protein, minerals, vitamins, and other components. So here that is the reason these spirulina can act as this spirulina can take as a alternate form of the food metals for human beings. And option B, body weight wise, the microorganism Metallotropus may be able to produce several times more protein than tau per day. So here example we are taking as a 250 kgs of cow can produce a 25 grams of the protein per day. If you are taken as a 200 grams of the Metallophilus and Metallotropus bacteria, it can produce into the 25 tons of the protein per day. So comparing to the body weight wise, the microorganism Metallophilus and Metallotropus bacteria may able to produce several times more protein than tau per day. Tau per day can produce the 25 tons only, but Metallophilus and Metallotropus bacteria it can produce the 25 tons per day. So here That is the reason Methylophilus and Methylophilus bacteria also we are taken as a ACC. And option C, a common button mushrooms are a very rich source of vitamin C. A common button mushrooms are we are called as edible mushroom. Mushrooms are we are called as a fungi only. So edible fungi. So now these are the fungi that contain as rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin C we are seeing into the vitamin C we are seeing into the lemon fruits mostly. And so here mushrooms are they won't have they won't contain as they don't contain the rich concentration of vitamin C. And option D, a rice variety has been developed which is very rich in calcium. So rice variety was developed and these are the rice variety contain as a much concentration of iron but they given as a calcium. Such type of the rice we call as a golden rice. So out of the given options, option A and option B, both are options are correct, and option D and option D are incorrect statement. So option D, this the new variety of the rice contains much concentration of the iron. It is given as a calcium, and common butter mushroom is contains as much concentration of vitamin C. Mushroom is a fungi, and these are not contain as much concentration of vitamin C. So that's why option C and D are the incorrect statements. And out of the given options, A and B only the correct statements. So statement A and statement B only the correct statements. Answer is B. Next question. Farmers have reported over 50% of higher yields of rice by using which are the following biofertilizers. So biofertilizers are which are the biofertilizers are they can increase the rice yield. So biofertilizers are the microorganisms that can increase the fertility of soil. So which are the microorganisms or which are the biofertilizers can increase the rice yield that should be up to 50%. So now they given as options cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is a blue green algae. Those are involved in the fixation of acid nitrogen. And legumes rhizobium symbiosis. Legume rhizobium symbiosis then shows the rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria also fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and these are the rhizobium bacteria that show symbiotic association with the leguminous plant. So these both are we are here. The rhizobium bacteria we are seeing into the leguminous plants. And mycorrhiza. Mycorrhizas are the specialized roots. The higher part plant roots associated with the fungi. So these are the mycorrhizal roots are also act as a bio. They can increase the fertility of soil, and they are also included under the biofertilizers. And option D, Azolla pinnata. Azolla pinnata is a pteridophyte. In the entire India, 50% of the rice crop yield will be going to increase by the presence of Azolla pinnata. It can show the symbiotic association with the blue green algae as a Anabina. So it can show the symbiotic association with the Anabina and then it fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and by the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in the rice plants. Widely they are using the rice plants in India to the increase the rice quantity. Means increase the rice quantity by the using of Azolla pinnata. It can show the symbiotic association with the Anabina. So these are the Anabina pinnata. It's a microorganism. It is a biofertilizer. It can increase the fertility of soil and also it can increase the yield of rice in India. And what about different remaining these? So leguminous plants are there. These are the rhizobium bacteria. They can show the leguminous plants. And cyanobacteria and mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza can show the symbiotic association with the higher plants. And now cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria also they will fix the atmospheric nitrogen, but to increase the rice yield in a rice crop, we can add it widely into the Azolla pinnata. Answer is. And the next question, the rotenone is. The rotenone is. So rotenone is a one of the chemical component. It is extracted from the Dalbergia schizo. So, and these are the rotenone. It is used as options of a natural herbicide, a natural insecticide, and an insect hormone and a bioherbicide. First, you see the option A, natural herbicide. So, rotenone is not considered as a natural herbicide. Herbicides means they will kill the unwanted plants in your crops. So, rotenone is not a natural herbicide. It's not a bioherbicide. And option B, it's a natural insecticide. So, to controlling of some insects, to controlling of some of the insects, we have extracted from the Dalbergia schizo roots. These are the Dalbergia schizo roots that induce the rotenone chemical. So this rotenone chemical is a natural insecticide. So out of the natural insecticide, azadirachtin, Azadirachtin, it was extracted from the neem plants, and first natural insecticide is azadirachtin used by the human beings, and later these remaining all of the insecticides are there extracted out of the different types of insecticides. One of the insecticide has a protein which was extracted from the Dalbergia schizo. So it is a natural insecticide. And option C they given as an insect hormone. An insect hormone. So it's not a hormone, it's a chemical component. It is the act as to controlling of the insects in your crops. And a bioherbicide is not a herbicide. So answer is B, rotenone. And question number 9. Which are the following species does not have a ability to atmospheric nitrogen fixation? So here which are the following species does not have a ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen? So option A, Azotobacter, Anabaena, Nasca and Spirogyra. So now you see the option A, Azotobacter is a bacteria. It is used in the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. Anabaena is a blue-green algae. It is also used in the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. So Anabaena we are also called as a cyanobacteria. And Nasca. So Nasca also is a blue-green algae. It was used in the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. So Azotobacter, Anabaena and Nasca, these are the three microorganisms are used in the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. But the Spirogyra is a microorganism, it is a chlorophyll algae. It does not have any fixation of this chlorophyll algae does not use into the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. So that's why out of the given options by the elimination method, we can choose the correct answer. Which of the microorganism does not have the atmospheric ion fixation? That is answer B as Spirogyra. Next question. Which one is correct? The given as option A. Activated sludge is digested by aerobic bacteria to produce marsh gas, and Aspergillus niger produces cyclosporin A. Fleming, Chain and Flore awarded Nobel Prize for penicillin. BOD is the amount of arsenic produced by bacteria during decomposition. So in these options, we have to identify which one is the correct statement. Activated sludge is digested by the aerobic bacteria. They given as aerobic bacteria, and here they given as a aerobic bacteria and to produce a marsh gas. Actually, activated sludge is digested by the anaerobic bacteria but does not produce the marsh gas. It can produce the methane gas. So, incorrect statement it is and that is activated sludge is digested by the aerobic bacteria as a marsh gas. For this correct statement, activated sludge is produced by the anaerobic bacteria into the biogas production. That biogas is a methane gas. And option B, Aspergillus niger produce the cyclosporin A. Aspergillus niger can produce the citric acid, and cyclosporin A can produce develop or produce extracted from the Trichoderma polysporum. And so option B also correct statement. Option C, Fleming, Chain and Flore awarded Nobel Prize for penicillin. So Alexander Fleming, he was done the experiments in Staphylococcus bacteria at the time of the doing the experiments in Staphylococcus bacteria. So he was identified as a penicillin, and these are the penicillin antibiotic and developed by Chain and Flore. So these are the chain and fluoride they will be going to use for the treatment of the soldiers. So they got the Nobel Prize for the pencil. Alexander, Alexander and chain and fluoride they got the Nobel Prize for the pencil. And option B, BOD is amount of oxygen produced by bacteria. So BOD is a biochemical oxygen demand. The amount of oxygen is consumed. It should be present as consumed. The demand as a produced. So that's why out of the given options, A is a incorrect statement, B also is incorrect statement, and D also is incorrect statement. And statement is C. And the next one, which one is being tried in India biofuel substitute for fossil fuel? So which one is considered as a biofuel in India substitution from the fossil fuel? Options are Jatropha, Musa, Agilops, and Azadirachta. Azadirachta indica is a neem plant. Agilops is a wheat plant, and Musa alba is a banana plant, and remain as a Jatropha. Jatropha plant is used as a, we are also called as a biodiesel plant, or it is also called as a biofuel plant. Answer A. Next question. Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan has initiated. So these are we are seeing into the sewage treatment by the using of microorganisms. So here Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan. Ganga River and the Yamuna River will be going to cleaned by the using of microorganisms by the process of sewage treatment. It was initiated, it was started for the cleaning of the Ganga River and the Yamuna River. Option A, Indian Agriculture Research Institute (IARI), Padi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC). So these are the IARI and KVIC. These are two commissions. They are initiated. They have developed the biogas plants in villages. And option C they given as the Ministry of Environment and Forests. So here Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan was initiated for the cleaning of the Ganga River and the Yamuna River by the process of sewage treatment. It was initiated by the Ministry of Environment and Forests (MOE). So answer is C. Ministry of Environment and Forest was initiated the Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan. And the next question, which among these are produced by distillation of fermented broth? See here, broth means liquid nutrient media and fermentation process means production of alcohol. So out of the given options, which are the options they are produced by the process of distillation. So alcohols are getting produced by the process of fermentation. So by the process of fermentation, two types of the alcohols are getting produced. One is distilled alcohol and undistilled alcohol. So differences between the distilled alcohols and undistilled alcohols. So distilled alcohols and undistilled alcohols both are then developed by the environment of microorganisms as Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast. Here distilled alcohol, in this type of the distilled alcohol, alcohol concentration presents as more than 15%. Alcohol concentration will be present more than 15%. But in an undistilled alcohol, by the process of undistilled alcohol, here the distillation mechanism or distillation process will not take place. So production of the alcohol as a less than 15%, or we are going to tell as a less than 30% only. Less than 30% of the alcohol will not produce. Such type of the alcohols are we call as undistilled alcohols. We have increased the alcohol concentration by the process of distillation method. By the process of distillation method, that alcohols are we call as distilled alcohols. So in the option A, whiskey, wine, beer, rum, and brandy they given. Out of the given option, we have identified as distilled and undistilled alcohols. So whiskey is a distilled alcohol, wine is an undistilled alcohol, beer is an undistilled alcohol, rum and brandy these are the distilled alcohols. Means these whiskey, rum and brandy they contain as a much concentration of alcohol by the process of distillation method. That undistilled alcohol will be going to perform the distillation mechanism, increase the concentration of alcohol. So question was asked as a distilled alcohols. The distilled alcohols are A, D, E. That is A, D, E. Answer D. And whenever question was asked as a undistilled alcohol, so same question only they will ask as undistilled alcohol means will be get as a only beer and wine because these are the two alcohols of our concentration is less. So answer is